I just did this website for my client last weekend, and she would like the Spanish voters to be able to read it as well. So what I'm going to do is going to click here. I'm going to write down, I have a piece of paper and pen right here. I'm going to write down, so capital letters, write down the font. It's in bold, and the color is down here. Hashtag 032766. I think that's all I need. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm going to open up two ChatGPT tabs. So this one, I'm going to use the 40. I'm gonna say translate this into Spanish. Espanol. And then in the second one, I'm going to use this one. Great for coding. So I would like a function where someone hovers over this sentence and it shows this same sentence but in Spanish. And I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna copy and paste that over here. And then I'm gonna say it should be in all caps. Yeah, capital letters. Call capital letters. The font is Montserrat semi bold. The text is bold. The English font, the English color is #0327766. I'm gonna do both. So say the color is 033 blah blah blah. When they hover over it, the Spanish text should appear as a red color. Now, I think I have, let me write it down. $D50131. What is this now? Front, back. What are you doing? Sorry, someone was texting me. When they hover over it, quality or text. When they hover over it, the Spanish text should appear as a red color, $D50131. And then hit enter, or the arrow, I should say. And then we're gonna get the embed ready. Set out of here. So we're gonna go to here, add element. We're gonna go to embed code, embed HTML, and then let's see. Munchie, Sensor, oh, looks good. We're going to copy this. I forgot to say that it should be left justified. So hopefully they will do that. Oh, I forgot to take the little things off. But let's just see if it works. So let's hit preview. Ah! Ah! Look! Ah! I love ChatGPT. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god. That's so cool. Okay, let's see what it looks like on. Oh wait, let me take off the but I want to see how it looks on mobile. So I'm gonna have to do a separate one for mobile. Embed code. But yeah, that's how that works. Did they do it already? Okay. Copy. I forgot to say left justified again, did I? Let me see. Now do the same code, but make it centered justified for the mobile. Let's get this out of here. I do want this to be a little thicker actually, but I'll do that in a second. Look at that. Oh, and I gotta leave room for the Spanish side. I knew it was gonna work. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Now, I'm not gonna do every single piece of text on here because that would just be way too much coding. And I feel that it would be too much for my client because she's gonna be making changes herself as well. So just a couple of things I want to do. Election day, May 3rd. Now let me see. Way to hide that. Put her right here. Have my code. Center reason for okay here. It's new code. Update. Voila. Voila, voila. All right. I think we are in good shape. And let's test it out. Preview. I have to leave room. I forgot to leave room again, yeah. But other than that, baby, it works. I'm so excited. I love technology. It just makes things better. And I love when I learn new stuff. The only thing I don't like is this white space down here, but I have to leave room for the Spanish text. So it's alright. Voila, and we're done. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, drop them in the comments. And thank you for following along.